Hadian bagi United Democratic Party, kelap hak nak jingtho cu Menteri Rangba ke Jela ukanrat ke Sangma, bandawa thung nak kenon tokit balaj lot halor ke kenum ke balami hak Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Mentah kesini nak kalian Menteri Rangba ke Jela ulai itu bula thung nak kenon tokit ban kli retired judge bakan thopru ya angot kit khot ke badai ke officer bala syong thaj halor ke jing keno bomsam bat ke kenum ke jing terekam hak ketanat MECL. Kishpau tili kimat bagi UDP kelak dawa na Menteri Rangba ban pha tokit ki kinthom halor ke jing petrikam ya ka bahagia skim ya ke bala keno bakal don lupa ke jing donong balak sispa klor nedo balak khot ya ke tender ke jing pendai ya smart meters bakador kalong lai hajar sauspa karban na ke jing lang jang ke board ke kedo bakalong hadu kendai hajar sauspa saupsau point saupsau ke jing thiet ya ki sispa tili ki komputer bat ki me chuki hakador lai lak tingka na ke enterprise resources planning ka jingthung yu Manish Gupta kum advisor jung chairman ko managing director ke MECL bat kiwei ki advisor hak tanan ka jingthmu ban IT ya ki substation shaki company shimet ki bana shabar ke Jela ban penyat ke ba miru ke jing persha ki babon balang ka jing ai dor kerpang ya ka bailait shaki karkhana banihat tang sau point khandai pho shi unit ka balawan ra ya ke jing donong ya ke MECL ka power banking bala pensangya no dang shed Kebelawan ra ke jing pelip boarding namar ke MECL kamdan yang ke jeka pelang ni kan show boarding bantok kedru halor ke jing lap jong CMD ke MECL bakadan ke jing yatu ya ke boarding hakikat khana habanihat ban ke jing thung yu officer badang kham khana ke director ke Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited.
Yes, I have given an order yesterday to constitute an independent inquiry into the different charges of corruption and other irregularities that are there in MECL. This independent inquiry will be headed by a retired judge, and there will be two other members, one from the administration, who is a retired officer, and somebody from technical background. And the terms of reference will include different kind of tenders that have taken place from MECL, from central as well as state schemes. It will also look into different kind of manpower issues like appointments and other irregularities in the human resource angle. It will also look into the allegations of power theft that has been there. It will also look into the overall AT&C losses and why it's been there, and it will be given for the last 10 years, which is since the inception of MECL, which is when it was debundled and MECL was formed. So for the last 10 years this will be looked into, and at the same time we will give a specific time frame. So anything between 4 months to 6 months will be given to the overall AT&C losses and why it's been there, and it will be given for the last 10 years, which is since the inception of MECL, which is when it was debundled and MECL was formed. So for the last 10 years this will be looked into, and at the same time we will give a specific time frame. So anything between 4 months to 6 months will be given to the committee. The exact terms will be worked out by the political department. I have just simply given the order that an inquiry should be constituted at the earliest, and this independent inquiry should be headed by a retired judge with 2 members in it. So the process has started, and hopefully within the next few days this committee will be formed.